Welcome back to Guess Whiz.
Hi friends, get ready for 50 fun math puzzles. You've got 10 seconds to choose the right answer from multiple choices. From easy sums to tricky questions, can you solve them all? Ready? Let's go. How many nines are there between 1 and 100? I am a number with a couple of friends, quarter a dozen, and you'll find me again. What am I? How many times can you subtract the number 5 from 25? How many sides does a circle have? Can you get it right? What number, when multiplied by 3, is no larger than twice the same number? How about this one? If 10 people meet each other and each shakes hands only once with each of the others, how many handshakes will there be in total? What number do you get if you multiply all the numbers on the telephone number pad? What's the correct answer? Saturday, John and Sarah went out for lunch and split the bill equally. The total bill came to $51. Each paid $17. Who paid the remaining amount? If you buy a rooster for the purpose of laying eggs and you expect to get 2 eggs each day for breakfast, how many eggs will you have after 5 weeks? Q is an odd number. Take an alphabet away from Q and it becomes even. Which is that number? How many socks do you need to pull out in the dark to be sure you have a matching pair if you have 10 black socks and 10 white socks in a drawer? Two trains start 100 miles apart and travel towards each other. Train A moves at 60 mph and train B moves at 40 mph. How many hours until they meet? If you hike 2 miles to a waterfall and then hike back 2 miles, how far did you hike in total? A ball is dropped from a height of 16 feet, and it bounces to half its height after each bounce. How high does it bounce on the 4th bounce? If apples cost 50 cents each and oranges cost 25 cents each, how much would 3 apples and 2 oranges cost? You have 2 six-sided dice. What is the probability of rolling a sum of 7? A farmer has a total of 40 chickens and cows on his farm. If there are 10 more chickens than cows, how many chickens does he have? You have 4 dogs, 3 parrots, and 3 cats. How many legs are there in total? If it's 1:15 p.m. now, what will be the time in 90 minutes? If it takes 45 minutes to bake a cake, how many hours will it take to bake 3 cakes? If you have 8 quarters, 5 dimes, and 7 nickels, how much money do you have in total? If a bus makes 4 stops on its route, how many times will passengers get on and off the bus during the entire trip? Hello friends, if you've been enjoying our quiz so far, please like and subscribe to our channel to receive notifications for new video updates. You walk 5 paces north, 12 east, 7 south. Where are you? Jerry is 54 years old and his father is 80. How many years ago was his father 3 times the age of his son Jerry? What shape do you create by folding paper inwards to form a continuous loop? If a treasure is located 12 units north and 5 units east from a tree, how far is the treasure from the tree? Three forward, 2 left, 4 back, 5 right. Where are you? Peggy's age today is 4 times what it will be 4 years from now, minus 4 times what her age was 4 years ago. How old is Peggy? If a marathon runner finishes a 26.2-mile race in 3 hours and 45 minutes, how many minutes does it take them to run 1 mile on average? If you have 10 quarters, 8 dimes, and 15 nickels, how much money do you have in total? If you buy 3 shirts for $30 each, 2 pairs of jeans for $50 each, and a jacket for $80, what is the total bill? Would you prefer $1 million up front or a daily payment starting at $1, doubling each day for 30 days? There are 10 birds in a tree. A hunter shoots one. How many are left in the tree? If there are 10 players in a chess tournament and each player plays against every other player exactly once, how many games are played in total? If a running track is 440 yards long, how many laps should you run to complete 1 mile? If there are 3 boys for every 4 girls in a class of 84 students, how many boys are there? If you deposit $500 into a savings account that earns 3% interest annually, how much money will be in the account after 3 years? If you earn 3 points for each correct answer and lose 1 point for each wrong answer, and you answered 30 questions correctly and 5 questions incorrectly, how many points did you score in total? If a pack of pens costs $1.50, a notebook costs $3, and a calculator costs $10, how much money do you need to buy 6 packs of pens, 4 notebooks, and 2 calculators? What's the sum of all numbers in a 3x3 magic square? What's the next number in the following sequence? If 1 Zorg is equal to 5 quarks and 1 quark is equal to 10 dingles, how many dingles are in 3 Zorgs? If you have a spinner divided into 6 equal sections, what's the probability of landing on an even number? If 3 apples weigh the same as 2 oranges, and 4 oranges weigh the same as 5 bananas, how many apples weigh the same as 10 bananas? What's the angle between the hour and minute hands of a clock at 3:15? What's the correct answer? If you flip a fair coin twice, what's the probability of getting 2 heads? Hello friends, if you've been enjoying our quiz so far, please like and subscribe to our channel to receive notifications for new video updates. See you in the next video.